first, sa judge's home. Tapos last week, ginulat nila ulit tayo dun sa first live performance. Tonight, gugulatin nila uli tayong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you AKA Jam.
It was sadly.
Nakakuha kayo ng first standing ovation for the night.
Unexpected po talaga yung standing ovation.
The first name na safe, AKA Jam!
Hindi naman na-expect na kami yung unang tatawagin talaga.
Nag-start po ako mag-singing contest, 8 years old ako.
Nung solo pa lang ako, ang pangarap ko po talaga sa sarili ko, gusto ko talaga maging international singer.
Sa unang performance nila, ginalaw nila ang paa. This time, it's the heart that's going to be moved. It's going to be emotional, inspirational too, very powerful.
Ngayon lang po kami kakanta ng mabagal po na kanta na grupo.
Sobrang complicated ng division ng voices. Konting pagkakamali lang, maririnig agad eh.
Ang laki ng expectations po sa amin ng tao. Ngayon po, ng second week na, mas makikita nila yung pagiging soloist namin. And pag kumanta kami ng sabay-sabay, as a group ang AKA Jam.
Funny how one day can make a person say what good is my life. Funny how a breaking heart can make me start to say what good is my life. Funny how I often think I'll never find a dream in my life. Till I look around and see this great big world is part of me in my life. This is my life. And tomorrow love will come and find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me.
AKA Jam. You have everything to be proud of. Pag sinasabi nila, you have to own the song. Each of you own one song, and that was that song. Remember this song. This will be your finale for the rest of your life. Beautiful.
That's right, diba? Fantastic, actually. Lahat talaga kami nagsoshow. Ganyan. Yan ang closing song. This is my life. My God, you really made it tonight.
AKA Jam. Wow. Alam mo, nasa isip ko na yung sasabihin ko, ngayon ko lang nakalimutan. Yan kasi yung effect nyo, nakainis. For me, ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na lang yung sasabihin ko. God, I suck. Okay. AKA Jam, kasi nasa isip ko pa rin yung performance nila last week eh. Yun talaga yung tumatak sa isip ko. Tonight, I'm glad na kayo yung closing. Kasi talagang, Yun na lang yung nasabi ko. Really good. Congratulations, AKA Jam!
First, gusto kong pasalamatan si Mon Faustino, ang isang napakagaling na arranger talaga na, who worked on AKA Jam. Mga kaibigan, mga kapamilya, ang rason kung bakit ko pinili yung kanta na to ay iba-iba kasi ang kwento ng buhay ng mga babaeng ito na very colorful. Kaya ginamit nila kung ano man ang dinaanan nila noon o kung anong dinadaanan nila ngayon in bringing it out in the best way they can dito sa kanta na to. And I think you all felt what they were singing. AKA Jam, it was extremely moving and extremely touching. God bless you guys.
Good job, bro.
Thank you po.
Good job.
Thank you very much to our judges. Mga kapamilya, kung naramdaman ninyo sa puso ninyo ang performance ng AKA Jam, just remember, accept space J-A-M. Thank you very much.